doing some arrangement. So ito, I'm an old school in terms of photo collections, and plus, diba in the past in 90s or yeah, in 90s, 2000 also as well, we used to receive mga picture from friends, diba, with dedications. Tapos ang dami na. I had all this in album, pero nasira na ang mga album. So yun, may mga dedications from friends, co-workers in the past, classmates, and mga relatives and cousins. So yun, ang daming, may mga pictures pa ako dito, pero so as I've said, I'm an old school in terms of collecting photos. So I know everything is digital now, pwede siya save sa disc or whatever, pero I still want my photo album. So I have here, I already, I several, I guess, tons here, 100 probably, and I'd like to arrange them random, like I want to mix them para fun for me, because some people, I have someone I know that they always arrange it according to vacation place. So if it's like taken in Philippines 2010, let's say 2010, lahat ng nasa album 2010, something like that. So itong akin, as I've said, random siya. So I also have this. I have this album from dollar store for $1. Not bad. And it has several pages already here. And I guess I sent 10 of this in the Philippines. Sayang. I wish I bought more of this, because it's the quality is not bad for $1. It holds well the picture, pero yun nga, isa lang natira sa akin. So I have this, and I have also this one, and it's all filled na, pero I still have several loose. Yun nga, I cannot, I used to get this album at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, which they're not open as of this time, so I wish I got more, pero it's expensive online, so I'm gonna wait until back to normal, balik ang store. So yun guys, this is one of the things I've been doing since we have this stay-at-home order. Hindi naman kami quarantine dito, pero we have this stay-at-home for the past few weeks. So ito ang isa sa pinagkaalbalahan ko. I'm not even done yet. So yun lang. I just want to hear from you guys. Do you still do the old school collection of albums, or you guys store this in your computer? But anyway, I'm gonna continue working on this, and I hope you guys are doing great, and be safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye.